Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new here. Today I have a single nail tutorial, Valentine's Day edition. I had some Pinterest nails that were so cute and that was my inspo, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I created these, what colors I used, and yeah, just step by step. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using. I will link them down below. Pinky Promise, I'm gonna go in with 2 coats, and then I'm gonna use my favorite Ciao Bella over and do 1 coat over it just to like kind of neutralize it. You guys will see the difference. It makes it look so good. Okay, so this is 2 coats of Pinky Promise, and now I'm gonna go in with Ciao Bella right on top, so you guys will kind of see how it like lightens it up but still keeps it pink. It just makes it look so good. It's like a milky like cover pink. I don't know, but it looks exactly like the inspo pick, and I was just so proud that I picked these 2 colors. So yeah, we are gonna get into the French tips next, and I did something different with my French tips this time because I was just like trying to see if there was a faster way, but I ended up having to go over it how I normally do a French, and I will show you guys that. It didn't really change it, so I wouldn't go the route that I went on this video, but I just wanted to try it out, and why not try it while I'm recording just so I could see and remember. So one thing I like to do before I go in with any nail art or like French tips is I like to wipe the like the sticky layer off with the alcohol wipes so that there's like no sticky layer. The gel is not gonna like run or anything like that, so you guys will see it'll just like stick very nicely. So that's one little tip if you're struggling with Frenchies or nail art, or you feel like your nail art bleeds or anything like that, or like doesn't stay in place. Definitely first make sure you have a really good pot gel, which Kiara Sky is amazing. They're just pretty thick, like even when it comes to French tips. So normally what I would do is this exact thing that I'm doing right here, but I would fill in the entire French tip with the Kiara Sky pot gel, and then sometimes it's so thick that it's like bumpy a little bit and you can't get it smooth. So what I tried one time was getting just one of my pure white gel polishes, which is thinner, and just like doing a really light coat over the French, and it looked so good. So that's what I normally do, but here I tried the pure white just by itself like this, and it just was not pigmented enough, so I ended up having to go back in with the Kiara Sky, which I left in here, but I sped it up because it took a long time. But yeah, don't make that mistake. Or if you have a white gel polish that is like super white, it might work better. Like this one's white, but I just think it was too transparent. So I would have needed like 2 coats, and I'm not trying to do 2 coats. We just want 1 coat. We don't want it bulky. Okay, so now that we got the French done, we're gonna go in with our nail art, and I'm using Nail Gang 003, which is just like a really deep red. It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the big hearts, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch because I feel like this is just kind of self-explanatory, and I want you guys to like really be able to watch and see, because there's so many, like, you could stop doing your heart, or you could like make it like bubbly, or like there's so many different ways to make hearts, I feel like. So just like play with it. Like you'll see when I draw the hearts, it's like skinny, and then I make it more bubbly, and I just like playing around with it to see what I like more. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. Okay, so now we are on to the stars and the mini hearts. I like to break down the nails like step by step by step by step. So I'm hoping that I am explaining this correctly to you, because it's taken me a long time to like really figure out nail art from like how it started to where they got. Like I've broken down nails just to, like, you know, try to do it on my own, and now I'm finally at the place where I can record everything that I'm doing and also show you guys how I break it down. So I really hope that I'm helping you guys and I'm like explaining everything thoroughly. If I'm not, definitely let me know, or if you're confused on anything, let me know, or if you have like a tutorial that you want me to do, again, let me know. If you have a picture or something, you can always DM me on Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of Valentine's Day inspo, so I'm super excited. Plus I'm doing Valentine's Day ready to ship bundles at the end of the month, so I'm so excited. Valentine's Day is one of my favorites just because like all of the hearts that you get to draw. Red is my favorite color. I kind of like pink, but yeah, and then all the glitter, like I just love the Valentine's Day nail sets, and they're so girly and pretty. And I'm gonna be doing charms, and I also ordered some like V-Day dangle charms. I cannot wait to show you guys. So yeah, stay tuned. And if you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe if you like the vibe. Okay, so now we're gonna get into outlining the hearts, which to me, this was probably the hardest part because you don't want the lines to be too thick, but you don't want them to be too thin, and then you don't want to mess up the heart. So to me, these were like the hardest ones, but I got through it. So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I did these step by step, and then we're gonna add some little lines inside the hearts to make them look kind of 3D. And then I just felt like because I did an XXL coffin nail, they were so much longer than the inspo, and I felt like it looked kind of plain just like that. So I went in and added some little dots as well, just to kind of add a little something. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys finish watching this part, and then I'll be back. And then right here, I did mess up a little bit, and then I messed up again from the brush. So just be careful if you're trying to clean up. And honestly, what I would do if you mess up and it's like just this little outline right here, I would just use an alcohol wipe and wipe it all off and restart. But I wanted to, you know, try to clean it up first and see. I'm not sure if I wiped it off on this part or if I wiped it off at all. I can't really remember, but I know I tried to clean it up like this, and then I like went in with, oh yeah, I went in with the detail brush just to like reline it. But yeah, just be careful when you are doing a cleanup if you are, so that you don't mess up the other one, because that is what I did. I just feel like these lines are so simple and so little, but they add so much to the set. Like already I feel like the hearts look 10 times harder or 10 times more intricate. Like I just think it makes it look so good. So definitely add those little lines so that your nail art will look so bomb, or your hearts, because look at the difference. It looks so good. So now I was like just looking at it wondering if I should top coat, and I was like, I think I'm gonna add some little dots, and I'm happy I did because I think it came out so cute, and I didn't want just like empty space. So yeah, this is what they are looking like. And now I'm gonna show you top coat really quick, and then I also applied them. So I have different pictures from the beginning, so I want to show you guys what they would look like if you did apply them, or if you did do this as a full set, just what it would look like on your thumb. And it was so cute, and like I'm telling you guys, this base color is so pretty against like my skin tone. I was actually in awe because I've never used these colors on myself, and now I think I'm going to when I make my V-Day set. But yeah, I was like so in love when I put it on. So I'm going to show you guys really quick, and then that is it. That's the end of the video. So look, you guys, look how pretty. I love them. So yeah, and then I had to add a little ring and stuff. But yeah, I think they're so cute. If you guys recreate these, definitely send them to me. Let me know, or tag me, or let me know if I was able to help you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.